Hola, Pellegrinos. Welcome to the American Pilgrim's Guide, the podcast where we take the stress out of your travel plans and put the adventure back in your backpack. I'm Rick Tatunik, and today we're diving into one of the most scenic and practical ways to get to the starting point of the Camino Ingles, the Renfe Train from Madrid Chamartin to Ferrol. If you're beginning your Camino de Santiago in Ferrol, located in the northwestern region of Galicia, getting there by train is a comfortable and scenic option. Renfe, Spain's national railway company, connects Madrid to Ferrol through a long-distance service departing from Madrid Chamartin. Let's break down the journey, step by step. For planning and purchasing your ticket, you can buy your tickets from Renfe up to 60 days in advance at renfe.com. or through the Renfe app, or in person at the Chamartin station. For pilgrims, booking early is key, especially in spring and summer when the Camino season heats up. I did find that sometimes Renfe adjusts the times to purchase. Sometimes you can purchase more than 60 days in advance, and sometimes only a month in advance. But 60 days is typical. Tickets are available in 3 fare classes: basic, standard, and premium or first class. A one-way trip from Madrid to Ferrol usually costs between 30 and 50 euros, depending on how early you book and the class. I purchased the basic and that was the only one available, and it was a nice ride, but the tickets are non-refundable. Make sure to select Madrid Chamartin as your departure station and Ferrol as your destination. My journey took about 6 hours. Want to save money? Check for Renfe's promo fares, discounted tickets with limited flexibility. And if you're carrying your pilgrim's credential, some discounts may apply through the regional tourism programs. The train from Madrid to Ferrol winds through the heart of Spain, with stops that align with several Camino routes. So even if you're walking a different path, this train might still be your gateway. Here are some of the notable stops along the way. Madrid Chamartin, your departure station in the capital. Medina del Campo, a historical Castilian town. Orense and Palme, a key connection point for the Camino Santa Brise. Santiago de Compostela, the final destination for most pilgrims. A Coruña, a coastal hub and starting point for the Camino Ingles alternative route. And this is also where we switched trains to go to Ferrol. The station is very small and we basically walked off of one train and onto the other, and the wait was very short. And then the final stop, Ferrol, the official start of the Camino Ingles. These stops offer excellent access to different Camino routes, so keep that in mind if your plans change or you're considering a different starting point. At Chamartin Station, this is what to expect. The station can feel a bit overwhelming. It's a major hub with local, regional, and high-speed trains. Here's how to navigate it. Arrive at least 45 minutes early. The station has security screening before boarding, similar to an airport, but much quicker. Check the departure boards. Look for a larga distancia or intercity. Your platform won't be announced until about 20 minutes before departure, so don't panic. You're passed through an X-ray scan for your bags. Keep your ticket, digital or printed, handy. Once your platform is posted, head to your train. Renfe staff will check your ticket and help you find your coach and your seat. These are printed on your ticket. Bring water and snacks. There may be a vending machine on board, but availability can vary. Arrival in Ferrol and starting the Camino once you arrive in Ferrol, the adventure truly begins. This train station is a short walk from the harbor and the Camino Ingles trailhead. Be sure to visit the local tourism office or the Church of San Julian to get your first stamp, or cello, in your pilgrim's passport. If you need a place to stay, hostels and albergues near the station are budget-friendly and pilgrim-ready. We stayed at the Hostel La Frontera and had a nice private room and bathroom for about 45 euros. We also had one of the best meals throughout our journey at Maison Caserio Vasco. We got the menu of the day, which is a 3-course meal with a bottle of wine for about 12 euros. Rest up, because tomorrow your Camino begins. That's it for this leg of your journey. Whether you're headed to Ferrol to begin the Camino Ingles or stopping at Santiago to celebrate your walk, the Renfe train is your scenic and reliable ride through Spain's stunning interior. Don't forget to subscribe below and leave a review, and check our other episodes for using the metro, luggage service, packing tips, and trail etiquette. Until then, buen viaje and buen camino.